Hi, this is Jack from Canvas GFX, and I want to show you what it's like building an interactive step-by-step assembly instruction using the Canvas Envision Creator platform. If you want to see what the experience of using this finished document is like, then make sure you watch the accompanying video. Here we'll start with the blank page, but we could be using a template if we needed to. There are plenty provided for us here. Envision Creator has a UI familiar to anyone who has used Windows products. The top ribbon is a contextual tab, so the components you work with change based on selecting text, images, tables, or even a 3D model. I can insert images into my document directly from my own files. I can also manage my often used images that I can keep here, stored within my symbols library. I can add text into the document. I can change the font size, even the font color. But the best part of Envision is getting to work with 3D models. In the Creator, anyone with almost any kind of 3D model can add, manipulate, and tell the story of their model exactly as they wish it to be represented to the viewers of this document. Note here, I wish for people to see my model's inner working by utilizing Vector Fill and Edges mode. Envision empowers everyone in your organization with this intuitive, easy-to-use graphic software tool. You can create documents like this step-by-step assembly in minutes. And that's the step-by-step assembly created in Envision. Check out more great content at canvasgfx.com. For all of us at Canvas, thanks for watching.